Good night, everyone. Before we begin, let us introduce the roles in our job interview simulation. I'm Alfie, and I will be acting as an interviewer, and my friend,
Berarti Godin sudah Carvalho.
his will be acting as the job applicant for the accounting position. Today, we will demonstrate a professional job interview, including self-introduction, technical accounting question, and behavioral interview questions. Through this role play, we hope to provide a better understanding of the interview process and the skills required for an accounting position. We will start in 3, 2, 1. Good morning, Belarmino. Thank you for coming in the group. To start our interview, could you please tell me a little bit about yourself?
Okay, I'm Berarti Godin sudah Carvalho. Good morning, Alfie. Thank you for having me. Well, I am an accounting graduate with a strong foundation and bank and financial principle. Currently, I focus on the mastery financial reporting standard and an internal control system. In my past academic and the practical project, I have the mains various administration and the bits accounting tax ensure high accuracy in the date entry and the leader record. Looking ahead, I'm very eager to leverage my analytic skill, hard opportunity your cash flow, support your financial scale plans, and grow in the professional auditor or senior account.
That's a very structured introduction, Belarmino. I see your passion. Tell me, why did you choose a career in accounting in the first place?
Okay, I close accounting because I truly believing in its language of business. It translates around metric and solid executive strategy. I have a natural affinity for structure that identify cost efficiencies and understand the system architecture. Moreover, I highly appreciate the volume of the integrity and the tools and come with building at the table accurate and complete record.
Great answer. Let's dive into some core technical questions to test your knowledge. Can you explain how the three main financial statements connect to each other?
Okay, absolutely. It all starts with the income statement. The final next income is the pool for the income statement and act as the critical starting point of the statement of the cash flow. On the cash flow statement, that's net income adjusted for the non-cash. It's like the depreciation and amortization, and the change of working capital applicable to calculates a net cost for the opportunity activity. Finally, the law close back into the balance sheet. In the ending cash balance on the cash flow statement match the cash is asset on the balance sheet, and the net income flows directly into the equity portion towards retained earnings.
Impressive. You nailed the connection. Now, how about the core accounting equation? Don't just recite it, but tell me how it works in a real transaction.
Again, the core equity of the double entry bookkeeping in access equal liability plus equity. Every single transaction must maintain in the equilibrium. For example, if your business borrow money for the bank, our liability increases because we have the new debt, but our access, especially cash increased by the extra sum amounts. It demonstrates the direct correlation between the resource our company on and its capital structure.
Perfect. Let's do a quick comparison. What is the fundamental difference between accounting receivable and accounts payable?
Okay, account receivable is the money on to our company by customer, which classify the current access and the representation upcoming cash flow in the leader in the increase with debit and the decrease with credit. On the other hand, Account payable is the money our company owed to the supplier or vendor. Is the classified the reliability representation of upcoming cash outflow and the decrease with the debit and the decrease with the credit.
Excellent breakdown. Now let's move to a scenario-based question. Accounting isn't always smooth. Tell me about a time you found a financial dis- discrepancy and how you handled it.
Okay, I use the STAR method and handle this situation in the tax during the months they close under the deadlines. I noticed significant bond reconciliation mismatch where the latter balance did match the bond statement. Action, I implementation street audit straight methodology. I trace the leader entry errors, double check in the physical and digital invoice, apply Machine's principle for accurate accruals and fix the workflow errors. Result, I hex the result. I successfully eliminate a potential misplaced building error. I shorten our reconciliation timelines by 2 working days, ensure zero error complaints.
Fantastic, Bella. You really focus on business outcomes and now your global terminology well. That concludes my questions. Do you have any question for me?
Oh yes, Alfie. You call me You tell me more about your car, accounting tech stack, or the biggest financial challenges your team faced the fiscal years.
That's a very structured question. We are actually updating our ERP system this quarter. Okay, we will reach out to you via email by Friday regarding the next step. Thank you for your time, Bella.
Okay, thank you very much for
Okay, everyone, thank you for the attention. This concludes our job interview role play for the accounting position. We have demonstrated the interview process, including communication skills, accounting knowledge, and problem solving abilities that are important in the workplace. We hope you found our presentation informative and engaging. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Yeah.